Hi guys, I wanted to do a video of our elephant ears. We have moved them into Clay's office, and look how nice they are. Clay put cages on them. Do you want to say anything about that doll?
Not right this second, I don't know.
Okay, he's working on a project, which we'll have that video up soon. But look how nice these are. I love the big leaves. See my hand? See the leaves? I can see what's. They're huge. So, and then there's my ZZ plant and my dying, what do you call it? Peace lilies coming back to life. But look, aren't these beautiful? They're up, up, up. It's just to show you how tall they're getting. There's a little plant stand over there with some more stuff, and the ZZ plant is just growing great. Okay, guys, I'm going to go over and help Clay with his project. So remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.